Hello everyone, welcome back to Central Smart QA Hub. In today's section, we are going to learn how to clear the existing value in a text box using Playwright automation. Let's take an example. When we open this application, the city text box already as a default value is a Chennai. Now our task is to clear this value and then enter the new value, for example, Mumbai. Let's see how to automate this step by step in Playwright. Now let me open this VS Code. Let me create a new spec file. So select test folder, click on new file. For example, the spec file name is clear value.spec.ts. Now let me write the test method. Test of title is clear the existing value and enter new value. Then comma async of page fixture, then arrow function. Let me import the test method from the Playwright. First step, let me open the application, await page dot go to. Let me take the URL of the application, copy this, I'll paste it here. Then we are going to clear the city text box value. So we need to find the locator of city text box. In this application, right click on the city text box, inspect element. This is HTML code for city text box. I'll take the placeholder value. I'll copy the placeholder value. I'll go to VS Code. I'll write the code to find the city text box. Await page dot get by placeholder. I'll paste this city text box placeholder value. Then dot clear method. We are going to clear the value present in the text box. After clear the value, let me wait for 5 seconds. Await page dot wait for timeout. Wait for timeout. Will pass 5000. So it will wait for 5 seconds. Now we'll run the code. I'll go to terminal. I'll type npx playwright test spec file name clear value dot spec.ts. See, the value got cleared. After clear the value, I'm going to enter the new value in the same text box. So I'll take the same code dot fill method. So in the fill method, I'm going to type the Mumbai value. So this statement will clear the existing value present in the text box. What is the value is Chennai value. It will be removed. Then after we are typing the Mumbai value. Let me rerun it. Here the clear method used to clear the existing value present in the text box, and the fill method used to type the new value. So in this code here in this code we are searching for the city text box twice, because one time for clear and again for fill. We can optimize this by locating the element once and storing it in a variable. Now for example, here let me comment it. Now this is a code to find the city text box. I'll take this code. I'll store it in a variable constant city text box. This code used to find the city text box element. That element will be stored in this variable. Here we are finding only element, right? using locator. For locator, you don't need to use await. I'll remove this. Now first we are going to clear the value, then we are going to enter the value. For clear the value, await, then city text box element dot clear method. Then we are going to enter the value, await, same city text box element dot fill method. Then I'll enter the Mumbai. For this approach, you don't need to find the same element and again and again. Now let me run the code. Now the Chennai will be removed and Mumbai will be typed. Now we can clear the text box value without clear method. Just call the fill method without passing any value. Now just I'll comment this. I will type here await city text box dot fill method without passing any value. Now let me run it. It's got cleared and entered the Mumbai value. So even without clear method, the text box gets cleared using fill method. In order to clear the existing value present in the text box, we can use clear method or we can use fill method without passing any value. Thank you. We'll see you in the next section.